Hello everyone, welcome to the testing video of the chain hoist. In the following session, we will provide a detailed demonstration of the installation steps for the operational electric chain hoist, ensuring that each step is executed correctly. Firstly, upon receiving the chain hoist, you will find two boxes, one for the hoist and the other for the trolley. Please check their side numbers to ensure they match, confirming that they are a set of hoist equipment. Once confirmed, we can now open the boxes to see what's inside. In both the trolley and the hoist, you will find product manuals, safety precautions, chain lubricating oil, and a chain bag. The installation is mainly divided into two steps. Install the trolley first. Then, install the hoist. For the first step, let's demonstrate how to install the trolley onto the I-beam. Measure the width of the I-beam bottom, approximately 130 millimeters. Measure the distance between the two trolley wheels, adjust it to 132 millimeters, leaving a gap of 2 to 4 millimeters. Install the lifting eye in the middle of the trolley, use the trolley axle adjustment ring for fine-tuning, maintaining a gap of 2 to 4 millimeters. Insert the trolley into the I-beam, starting with the active wheel section, and then install the safety accessories in the fixed positions. For the second step, after completing the trolley installation, we connect the hoist to the trolley, ensuring a secure connection using bolts and lifting eye. Don't forget to install the safety box. Next is the installation of the chain. Ensure the chain end is on the side of the locking block. Place the chain into the chain bag. Adjust and tighten the screws to ensure everything is securely fixed. Now, we move on to the electrical testing phase. Use an aviation plug to connect the hoist and the trolley. Insert the power cord and tighten the screws. Open the emergency stop button and proceed with the electrical testing. Test the line position switch for flexibility and check if the limit switch is effective. Finally, perform maintenance on the chain. Apply lubricating oil to the chain. Allow the chain to flow freely at the lowest position. Move the chain up and down to ensure proper lubrication. The entire installation and testing process for the hoist are now complete. Thank you for watching.